Today we're looking at the 2025 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 Crew Cab in a Summit White. Under the hood it comes with a 2.7 liter turbo as well as an 8-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Heading on inside, we have our Artemis interior, leather and heated cooled seats on both sides, as well as our leather heated steering wheel. Making our way inside, we do have our 11-inch touchscreen with built-in Google as well as our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Down here you'll find our climate controls. And making our way down even further, you'll see we do have a USB-C and USB charge ports, as well as a wireless charging pad. Over here, you'll find our drive mode, as well as our shifter, our parking brake, and in here, you'll find extra storage for anything needed. Taking a look at the driver's side door here, you'll see our automatic windows, as well as our adjustable side mirrors. Over here at the top by the handle, you'll find our seat memory settings. And speaking of seat, if we come down here, you'll find our power controls for our seats, front and back. Over here, you'll find our trailer brake settings. And if we make our way to the steering wheel, you'll see, like I said earlier, it is a heated steering wheel equipped with audio sound settings. Over here on the other side, you'll find our cruise control settings, as well as this vehicle is equipped with many other safety features, including automatic emergency braking, forward collision alert, front pedestrian braking, and lane keep assist. When reversing, you'll see we have a lovely large rear view camera built in, as well as this vehicle is a push to start ignition with a remote start. Heading on back, we still have our leather seats, as well as our 2 cup holders, our 2 vents, 2 charging ports, 1 USB-C, 1 USB, and 1 outlet at the very bottom. In the front seats behind them, you'll see 2 cubbies, 1 on each side, as well as our middle cup holders, our back rear window, and of course, our sunroof. Checking out the exterior, we do have our red tow hooks with our LED headlamps and fog lights. Coming over here to the tires, we do have our factory installed 3-inch lift with the ZR2 suspension, 17-inch graphite rims with our mud terrain tires, our adjustable side mirrors, small rear tint on the back window. Making our way all the way to the back, we do have our ZR2 badge, as well as our backup camera. Easy tailgate, comes down, no problem. And if we look, we also have our spray-on bed liner and, of course, our outlet in the right corner. And that is our 2025 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 Crew Cab in a Summit White. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help you with any questions you may have.